Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I'm going to feature the Echogear Max Motion TV Wall Mount for large TVs 42-inch to 90-inch. It has full motion with a smooth swivel, tilt, and extension universally designed for a multitude of brands. I'm going to demo it for you guys so you can see it live in action and really understand how it operates and just describe basically how it has been working for us over the last month or so to give you all a live and direct interaction basically. Hey guys, I'm just jumping on today to feature a gadget that surprisingly has been working out pretty well. This is the first time I am trying an expandable TV wall mount. What you're seeing right now is just a mock-up of what our living room is going to be set up as. So pretty much the TV area I want to define in this space here. So today I want to show you guys the TV mount that we're using. This is just a demo TV that we're using to actually test it to make sure that this actual TV wall mount can do the job. The maximum width of a TV that we can have in this area is a 75 inch. So if you guys have any recommendations for that size TV, do drop me a line in the comments, please. What I thought was great about this actual TV wall mount is that it can expand. So it's ranging from holding TVs in size 40 inches to size 90 inches. This one that's currently mounted is a 55 inch and it's been up, I would say, maybe like about a month now, and we haven't had any issues. However, I don't think that's sufficient time to say if I would recommend it or not. I'm actually looking for other options if you guys have any, just in case this one fails. But it does have almost 20,000 reviews on Amazon, and we'll get into the actual product features shortly. I just want to show you guys up front what it looks like mounted and actually holding a TV. So basically in action, and pretty much this is what it looks like, how it moves, how it swivels, how it actually is able to come out and move back in. So, it's been pretty easy and pretty light for me to operate. It's not bulky at all or heavy, to say the least. Before I jump on Amazon to show you guys all the features in detail, I just want to point out one last thing, which is that the TV mount was installed directly onto the concrete wall behind the entertainment unit. So this, we were guaranteed should be able to take the weight of, I believe it can hold up to 125 pounds, and mounting it directly onto the concrete wall was recommended as opposed to directly on the entertainment unit. Okay, so this is the product that we bought on Amazon. It's the Echogear Max Motion TV wall mount. To the top, you can see it has 19,655 reviews. That pretty much was a big selling point for us. At the time of making this video, it was about 105 US. And here comes the details with respect to how the TV mount swivels. It has a 130-degree angle spin and it can extend out by 22 inches. I'm a big advocate of utilizing my wall space as opposed to my surfaces. So we opted for the wall mount instead of a standing mount. This one is made of heavy gauge steel and can hold, as I mentioned before, up to 125 pounds. And finally, it's designed for universal compatibility with a multitude of brands. So, in my videos, I like to mention or just sort of expound on what is not said on Amazon, just so that you guys can get a real insight into these Amazon products. So pretty much it does not at all glitch or click or shake when you're moving the mount. When you're positioning the TV, the mount moves very smoothly. There's no glitching or resistance felt at all. It sort of just glides. There's also no shaking when it's being retracted or extended outward. And finally, what I think is great about it, if you don't have an entertainment unit to basically dock the wall mount in, and you're just going to have it on an exposed wall, it really takes up a very small footprint. It is quite a streamlined gadget, and it's pretty much retracted all the way up until the wall. I believe it's just like a 2 inch or 2.5 inch distance. And finally, we didn't install it ourselves. So we had the builders or the creators of the TV entertainment unit install it for us. It was a two-man job, And the TV wall mount itself comes with its own screws, and well, pretty much it was up in no time. And that's it for this one. I hope this information is useful to you guys. Do drop me any suggestions for any recommendations that you might have for outfitting my living space. In my next video, I will feature the surround sound system that we recently installed for indoor and outdoor use. We do have a deck that adjoins this living space, so you can look out for that video coming next. Thank you so much for tuning in. It really means a lot. Please remember to like and subscribe if you do enjoy the content. It does, really motivate me to continue making it for you guys. Also, I love, just building a community around home decor or any sort of home stuff, especially as I've recently moved into my home. I can yap all day about interior design or just get into it with you guys discussing new ideas. So thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.